Hi guys, I'm Sienna and I'm going to show you how to do easy Halloween makeup. I'm going to start by using a light foundation all over the bottom half of the face, covering the mouth. I'm using a light foundation instead of a white one, just because we're focusing on the mouth and it will make it easier to blend into the rest of the skin. If you want to create a lighter effect, you can add a little bit of concealer into the foundation, just to make it a little bit more opaque. I'm taking the light foundation just to the top of the ears. Now I've finished blending in the light foundation, I'm just going to set that with a light pressed powder so it doesn't transfer onto the rest of the skin. The powder will also make it easier for when I go in and sketch the stitching of the mouth. I'm now going to get a black kohl liner and just sketch out where my stitches are going to be. I'm going to start with the centre of the mouth and work my way out. The stitches don't have to be completely symmetrical. They can also go in different directions. I'm going to bring the stitch halfway across the cheek on both sides. They don't have to be exactly the same. I've chosen to use a black kohl pencil because it will be easier to smudge in the lines when I do the shading. I'm going to fill in the inner part of the lips with the black pencil to create more depth. I'm going to add a little bit of black eyeshadow just at the seam of the stitch to create a bit more shading. I'm going to add a black liquid liner just to go over the lines of the stitches, just to add a bit more texture. This doesn't have to be completely symmetrical. Lastly, I'm going to go in with a red lip liner just to make the wound look a little bit sore. So I'm going to start with the centre of the mouth and slightly along the stitches on the outer corner of the face. This is a really good look if you don't want to do a full face of makeup and you only have a few products at hand.